60 minutes to dehumidify and de-sweat yoga. Episode 3, Core Strength. Strengthening, soothe the spine. Let's go back to downward facing dog. Adjusting hands, open shoulders, wide. Bring your legs together. Raise your right leg up. Exhale and bend with your knee, touching the tip of your nose, tiger pose. Activate your belly. Inhale, back up. Exhale. Twist and turn to your left. Inhale again. Inhale, back up. Exhale and touch to your chest. Open up your right leg. Tilt down your left knee. Drop down to the ground. Hands down. Swivel your shoulders down your front knees, ankles. Align. Inhale and stand up, pelvis straight. Exhale, down your front leg. Every time you inhale, stand up and push up. Every time you exhale, knee. Find a mat and do it 8 times. Strengthen the legs. Tighten the core. Stabilize the front leg. Stomp the back leg. Straighten the arms into a high lunge. Hands by the ears. Inhale. Extend upward. Exhale. Squat again. Front leg at 90 degrees. Stomp the back leg. Straighten the knee. Land slowly. Push the foot. Stabilize the instep. Lower the chest. Raise on exhale. Rotate back. Right hand back. Left hand front. Inhale again. Return to front. Fingers pull up. Lengthen the exhale. Bring the thoracic vertebrae with you. Flexible, rotating. Inhale again. Every exhale. Exhale again. Right hand back. Right hand back. Left leg. Left hand behind the ear. Chin. Back of the shoulder. Look at. Stretch the whole left side. Stabilize the right foot.